Hello friends, today's video is on the topic A rolling stone gathers no moss. It's a proverb. A rolling stone gathers no moss. A rolling stone does not remain at one place, and as such, no moss gather on it. This depicts a person who is fickle minded and does not concentrate on one particular job. He constantly changes his decisions and as such meet with failure. In order to succeed, a person must adhere to one job and not jump from task to task. He must work patiently, steady, and effortful application of knowledge to one job bring back appropriate reward. A job may take a long time to finish, but patience and perseverance lead to worthy achievements, successive gains, and satisfactions. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, and like.